Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to make an egg casserole. It's so easy in the morning. You can make it the night before, refrigerate it overnight, and then bake it in the morning. Today I'm just making a small batch for just my husband and I, but if you want a full, look in the description below. First of all, I'm cooking my meat. You can use any type of meat you want, smokies, bacon. Today I'm just using sausage. Use whatever vegetables you want or none at all, it's totally up to you. Today I'm using onions, but peppers or spinach are also great. Next I'm cutting up some slices of bread to add to the casserole to make it nice and fluffy and delicious. For this small batch, I'm just doing 6 eggs, then I'll add some half and half, or you could just do milk or heavy cream. I'm whisking that all up and I'm adding my other ingredients, starting with my bread, then my diced onion, next my sausage, and for the sausage I just used about half a pound this time, and I'm stirring that all together. Another ingredient I add is mustard, and you can do dry mustard powder instead, and I also add some salt and pepper. If you want to spice things up, you can also use some paprika or some cayenne. Next up is the cheese. I usually add some sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you want. I grease my baking dish and I'm going to pour my mixture in, cover it with cling wrap, and this is going into the refrigerator until tomorrow morning. That way I can just wake up and then bake it. In the morning, I bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, and you're just gonna bake it until it's set and golden. This egg casserole always turns out so fluffy and flavorful. Everybody likes it, and there are so many different ways you can make it, and even toppings to add like hot sauce or sour cream. And if you wanna see more homemade recipes or meal ideas, click that subscribe button.